gonna go through and set the clock up. The first thing you need to do is press the modes button, so the middle button of the three at the back. If you press it once, then it goes into that mode, so you can change the year, then you can change the month, then you can change the minutes, then you can change the hour, then you can change the minutes. After that it goes back to original position. So if you want to change any of those units, you use the plus button, which is the first button on your left, looking at the clock from above. To set the other functions, you press and hold the modes button for 3 seconds, and then you get all the functions you can set up to. There's 8 functions, yeah, so you can go through all of them and then use the plus button to change them. If you press the reset button, it goes back to time mode. There you go. The other thing you can change on this unit is the way the LEDs light up. To do that, you press the plus sign, plus button, the button on your left. So that's one of the first buttons. It gives you a pattern. Press it again, you get a different pattern again, and so on. So there are many different patterns. Different patterns, so you can get just a single LED going around. You can get, you know, the whole thing. So there you go. That's quite a nice little electronic project. To complement this, I've also added a little 5-volt regulator PCB, and I'm powering this using a 9-volt power supply, which feeds into the 5-volt regulator, so it gives it 5 volts. I've made a few little alterations to the unit, but more or less it's the original unit.